Hey, food lovers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the crispy, flaky, and absolutely delicious world of Turkish cuisine with a focus on one of its most beloved pastries, börek. But we're not just talking about recipes today. We're uncovering some unknown and surprising facts about this culinary delight. Let's get started. So, what exactly is börek? For those who may not know, börek is a family of filled pastries made of thin, flaky dough known as phyllo or yufka. It's popular not just in Turkey but across the Balkans, the Middle East, and even parts of Central Asia. But did you know that the history of börek is as rich and layered as the pastry itself? Here are some unknown facts about börek that will surprise you. Börek has ancient origins. The earliest form of börek can be traced back to the Ottoman Empire in the 15th century. It is believed that the Ottomans inherited the concept of layered dough from the Persians. This culinary tradition then spread throughout the empire, evolving into the börek we know and love today. There are countless regional variations of börek. Each region in Turkey has its unique spin on this classic dish. For example, in Istanbul, you might find su böreği, which is boiled before baking, making it extra soft and delicious. In the Aegean region, they love otlu börek, filled with a mix of wild herbs. Every bite tells a different story. Börek is more than just a snack, it's a symbol of celebration. In Turkish culture, börek is often prepared for special occasions like weddings, festivals, and family gatherings. It's a dish that brings people together, a true embodiment of hospitality and joy. While many enjoy börek for breakfast, it's actually a versatile dish that's eaten at any time of the day. Whether as a midday snack, a hearty lunch, or even a late-night bite, there's always a perfect moment for börek. And it pairs wonderfully with a glass of Turkish tea or ayran, a traditional yogurt drink. Börek has inspired similar pastries around the world. You can find its influence in dishes like the Greek spanakopita, the Italian stromboli, and even the Israeli börekis. This just goes to show the widespread appeal and adaptability of this Turkish favorite. The secret to a perfect börek lies in the ingredients. While the dough is important, the fillings make each börek unique. Traditional fillings include a mix of feta cheese, spinach, minced meat, or even potatoes. But did you know that some regions add a pinch of sumac or nigella seeds for an extra burst of flavor? These little secrets make a big difference. Börek has even found its way into Turkish literature. In classical Turkish poetry and prose, börek is often mentioned as a symbol of abundance and generosity. It's fascinating to see how a simple pastry can hold so much cultural significance. Börek is a staple of Turkish street food culture. Vendors across the country sell freshly baked börek in bustling markets and on street corners. These street vendors often have secret family recipes passed down through generations, making each bite a unique experience. Börek can be surprisingly nutritious. Depending on the fillings, börek can be packed with vitamins and minerals. For instance, spinach-filled börek is rich in iron and vitamins A and C, while those filled with cheese provide a good source of protein and calcium. So, you can indulge in börek and get some health benefits too. Modern chefs are putting creative twists on traditional börek. You can find gourmet versions with fillings like smoked salmon, sun-dried tomatoes, or even sweet varieties with custard or chocolate. These innovative takes are bringing Borek into contemporary culinary trends while honoring its traditional roots. Borek holds a special place in my heart. I remember my grandmother making Borek for us every Sunday. The whole house would fill with the delicious aroma, and we couldn't wait to dig in. It's more than just food, it's a cherished family tradition that brings back warm memories. To give you more insight, I spoke with some experts. Here's Chef Ayşe, a renowned Turkish chef, sharing her thoughts on why Borek is so special. Borek is an integral part of Turkish cuisine. It's a dish that showcases our love for rich flavors and intricate cooking techniques. Each layer of dough represents the care and skill that goes into making it. Want to make the perfect Borek at home? Here are some tips. First, always use fresh yufka or phyllo dough. Second, don't skimp on the butter. It's what makes the layers so flaky. And finally, experiment with different fillings to find your favorite combination. Borek has made its mark in Turkish cinema. In many classic Turkish films, Borek appears as a symbol of home, comfort, and family. It often plays a role in bringing characters together, showcasing its cultural significance beyond just being food. Did you know there are entire festivals dedicated to Borek in Turkey? These festivals celebrate the diversity of Borek, with local chefs competing to create the best versions. It's a delicious way to honor this beloved pastry and its role in Turkish culture. Borek remains a staple in contemporary Turkish society. From bustling cafes in Istanbul to family kitchens in small villages, Borek continues to be a favorite. It's a testament to its timeless appeal and versatility. So, there you have it. Some lesser-known facts about Borek that highlight its historical roots, regional diversity, cultural significance, and global impact. Next time you bite into that crispy, savory goodness, you'll have a deeper appreciation for this iconic dish. Thank you for joining me on this culinary journey through the world of Borek. See you next time, and happy eating! Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.